see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Good morning, guys. Baba tayo. Naririnig ko na yung pinsan ko tsaka si mama. Nagluluto sila ng breakfast. Ayan. Yan yung breakfast. Pogi, good morning.
Sabi mo, mahiling kang sunset.
Yung nga, sunrise.
Sunbit ang hiniling mo.
Nakahiling ka? Dahil ka ma?
Dahil ma.
Buyong ka kasi.
Dahil, amoy ako nagmata, nagluto nga.
Mainito na. Sabi ko, mahiling kaming sunrise. Sun na lang makikita na.
Side ako na hiling.
Hi! Good morning. Lagi ba tawang amay? Nine yung sunrise? Dae. 6? Ayan na. Ayan yung view natin ngayong umaga. Mainit na maglakaw-lakaw na araw kainin.
Sa beach po dito.
Ayun. Kita ko ulit sa inyo bago namin kainin tong ulam namin for today's breakfast. So, eto yung ginisang sardinas, sunny side of eggs, meatloaf, and eto yung niluto ko kahapon na truffle pasta ininit, more eggs, and corned beef. So, eto yung placemat namin. Sa mga gustong magpabook dito sa pinagstayan namin, eto lang ang kukontakin nyo guys. Ayan, by C Condominiums. Ang ganda dito, as in. Ang ganda-ganda ng place. Ang laki rin ng rooms. So, ayan. Diyan kayo magpabook.
Good morning, guys. We're going to the pool, but the other side.
Linising ko siya kasi ngayon check out namin mamaya. Gusto mo, sabi ko, maligo. Gumising ka na, bumangon ka na. Mag alas 11 na eh. Para makaligo pa siya dito sa other side nga na pool. Yung pinunta natin kagabi. Alis kami siguro mga 1:30. So para may time pa siya. Kasi mag-i-impake na kami ni mama mamaya. As in final impake. Kasi bukas na ang alis namin ng hapon. Pabalik na tayo ng Australia. And then we're gonna go on the other side. Naglakad na kami papuntang beach. Pwede naman mag-shuttle pero pinili na maglakad. Daanan muna namin dito bago kayo pumunta dun sa isang pool. Baka mamaya mag-shuttle na kayo kasi mainit. Antok pa yan. Gamit ko na yung phone kasi mapupuno na yung SD card ko dun sa DJI. Ganun siya yung sanitizers. Sunscreen. Akin na si Mushi. So, may ganap na naman dito. Ligo daw muna siya. Init. Is it deep? Balik-balik na siya dito. Nakailang balik na siya. Doon lang ako sa may ano payong kasi ang init. Okay, come on. Punta pa tayo sa pool. Come on, swim, baby. Because we have to go to the other side.
Feels so nice.
It's a nice day to swim. Okay. So dito na tayo sa country club pool. Pools, ang dami. It's cold? Yeah, try. Is it cold? Okay.
Thought that I would be a bit at peace by now. Yeah, you're lying in the shadows of my room. Oh,
This is huge, baby.
always heard your voice, I forget the sound now.
Yeah.
You're awfully quiet when I cry out for you. Oh, I know you don't have
Okay.
much to say, yeah, that's clear now. But I won't keep on giving you grace while my heart's broken. But you take the time away to clear your head out. But I had so much to say.
Can you
You
read?
let me get away still. Well, I still
No.
cry. I won't lie, but you'll never know. You'll never know if I'm fine. Am I alright? Well, you'll never know. You'll never know. You took this path on your own time without giving us a try. So we'll never
Yeah, but I
know.
don't think it's the same.
You came into my life at the right point, and now you're leaving when it gets hard. Should've kept it straight from the jump. Why'd we come this far to get this far? I should leave it alone. 'Cause there's no proof of you staying. Your mind was made up a couple months ago. Oh no, I know you don't have much to say. Yeah, that's clear now. But I won't keep on giving you grace while my heart's broken. But you take the time away to clear your head out. I don't got nothing to say. How could you let me get away still? Well, I still cry, I won't lie, but you'll never know. You'll never know if I'm fine. Am I alright? Well, you'll never know. You'll never know. You took this path on your own time without giving us a try. So we'll never know. We'll never know. Feel good. Don't feel bad tonight. I feel good. Won't feel bad tonight. I feel good. Don't care where you're at tonight. I feel good. You wonder where I'm at tonight. I'm at tonight.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit.
can do it?
How do you do this?
Maybe have a rest.
Okay. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna do this first.
비가 내리면 자연스레 너를 떠올려 따스해지니까 Don't know how I can explain 하루 종일 네 생각에 간절해 낯설어 나 왜 이런 걸까 You're the cure to all my pains 널 좋아하나 봐 널 사랑하나 봐 이제
Almost, baby. Good job. Well done. You did it.
That's so far.
I know it was far.
Oh.
We'll send it to Daddy. Well done. You did it. Back and forth.
I know.
Okay, go to the other.
I know like a 10-second break. Or
Okay. You go to this one, and then we're done. Okay.
not finishing.
Almost. Yeah, because we have to go. We have to pack. Okay.
Hearing you play in the evenings. Watch you sing in church on a Sunday morning. Yeah, yeah. Finding your strength in the waiting.
Yeah, there's another one.
Been fighting, girl, and you're overcoming. You're overcoming. And I'm gonna be by your side through time.
wanna leave, but we have to, baby. Galing siya doon. Doon. Yun na lang palang isang hindi niya pa natatry. Doon sa kabila na-try niya na yung pinakamalaki. Tapos ito, solo niya. You have another pool to go, Baba? You have another one here. Yeah. Meron doon na slide, kaso sarado ngayon daw. Meron daw dyan na slide. Don't finish that one first and then we're gonna go here. Okay. Diba pa? Ayun, that one pa pala. There's another one. There's a little one there. Meron pa siyang isang hindi pa na papaligon. Ito na talaga ang last. Where are you now? So, dito naman siya sa kabila. Ito na yung last na pool na hindi niya pa nasuswimingan. Okay. Okay, that's it. Come on, let's go. Tapos na siya. Okay, see you. We don't know when, but dito yung shower room nila. Guys, bisitahin natin tong isang unit. Dito sa Corolla naman to. 717B.
Welcome.
Wow! Welcome. Dito na una siya sa akin. So, when you open the door, ito yung makikita nyo.
There's a water dispenser,
Mm-hmm.
and we have a table. We also have extra waters just in case it runs out.
Yeah, how many seats?
Seats.
Yeah,
2, 4, 6,
8. Yeah.
8 seats.
And it's a huge dining table.
Yeah. Now let me.
No, this is the kitchen. And ito yung kitchen dito, guys. Ang ganda.
So here's the kitchen.
And they have oven.
Drawers for plates.
Yeah.
forks, and knives.
And then they have lutuan, cooking area. And yeah, kompleto siya.
They also got scissors.
Yeah.
Now let me. This is
That's pantry.
you have a big pantry.
Yep.
And
And-
let me.
Okay.
So let me show you the first room. We have 2 bunk beds with a washing machine
Yeah, and then with
and then an extra mattress.
yep, and then there's a fan.
Yes. Let me show you.
And here,
We
baby.
also have a fridge.
Yeah, fridge. And
And here is the bathroom.
the first bathroom, big bathroom.
So
Shower.
you got a bucket. You got toilet. I think this is like a holder for your stuff.
Mm-hmm.
You got soap. And oh look, you have a glass already in the
Mm-hmm.
room.
Yeah.
Now let me show you this room. This room is massive and really big. I love the color. And look, you got an extra bed.
Yeah, yeah. Pull out. Okay, you cannot do it, Baba. Yeah, but pwedeng dalawa dyan.
You have an extra
Extra bed.
And
And-
you have stuff for your clothes as well. We got extra blankets. I think there would be clothes.
There's a closet.
Yeah, we got a closet for your clothes.
Yeah.
I'll show them.
Okay.
And we also have a fan. And we have a couch and a beautiful view.
Yeah, the mountains
Yeah,
view.
it's beautiful.
And that's the hotel.
Other unit.
No, that's the hotel. Ayan yung view dito, guys, sa isang bedroom. Ang ganda.
And we also have a
Yeah, another blind, sir. Window.
Oh, we also have this picture.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one, come here.
The living room.
So we got this comfy couch. We also have this if you have any help, just
Concern,
call this
yeah.
number. And we got a fan for the fan.
No, it's aircon.
Aircon, yeah. We got this little
Yeah.
thing.
And TV. This is the entertainment area. So, yan yung living room.
We also have a balcony.
Balcony. Ang ganda ng balcony. Oh.
This is my favorite spot.
Yan, oh. Tapos dito, kung kay Johnny Boy Char, ayan. Gusto niya sigarilyo, ayan.
Also, wanting, like, if the house is a little dirty, you have some stuff to clean. But if you want to. And you also have a little garbage bin.
Yeah, ayan na yung mountain. Okay, let's go to the other room.
Yeah. We also have the TV room.
Yeah, ang ganda. Laki, oh. Maliwalas.
Down there,
Daming towels.
was, look at this.
So dito, kung gusto niyo dito kayo mag-book, guys. See, condominium rental. Ayan.
But this is a big thing.
Okay, so we're gonna go. Another bedroom.
So I got a single bed, but that's not it, guys. Come in this way.
Yeah, so
We
akyat
also
tayo.
have another bathroom. This
Yeah.
is our second bathroom, and this is our second room.
No, this is third.
It is?
Because the first one with the bunk bed, the other one with the green, and this is the third.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so that's the toilet.
Yeah, now
And-
let me show you this. This is on the second floor.
Second floor.
No,
It's just bed.
this is just the bed.
Yeah.
Come here. Don't fall because it's kind of skinny instead. So we
Okay.
also have another single bed. This is locked.
Yeah.
Sure. But this is a sofa.
Yeah, kung may kasama pa kayong kailangan matulog, ayan, pwede pa dyan. Okay, let's go down. We're gonna go to the master bedroom. Come on, master bedroom. So, i-leave ko yung link nito, guys, kasi ang ganda ng units.
Yeah, but
Yung
then
isa yung pinagstayan namin tsaka dito.
and we also have an aircon.
Yeah, aircon. Lahat na aircon. Okay.
And you go into the link to check if you want to book.
Yeah, mag-book kayo dito
You
kasi...
should, guys.
You
because it's so beautiful.
Yeah, they should because it's beautiful
We
and...
also have a power to your charger.
Yeah, okay. Go to the master...
bedroom.
Okay, when you come in, okay.
Take it into the
This is the bathroom.
This is the bathroom. You have an echo.
Yeah, shower and toilet.
And you have this for
Yeah.
your soap. Guys, look behind you guys. This is so beautiful.
Yeah.
Here's the light switches. And this is, I think this is for the fan.
I think lights. And that one, merong pwedeng lagyan ng kung ano-anong anik-anik nyo.
And we also have a little desk
Yeah.
for a workspace. Just
Yeah.
in case.
Yeah, and then they have 2 couches.
Oh, there's the
Remote control for the air. Ito yung bed. Ang ganda ng bed. Yayamanin ang itsura niya. Ayan, the couch.
And we also have another view.
We have another view. May hindi na natin tas yung blinds. Ayan, dito na lang tayo lusot. This is the other. Ang ganda ng balcony. Ang laki ng balcony, oh. Ayan. Balcony.
Beautiful view. You have a seat. You can actually eat here if you want. You
That's
can
right.
Have a cup of coffee.
Yep. So, ayan yung view dito, guys. Ang view naman dito is yung lagoon and the pool kung saan
The
nag-swimming si Holly kanina. Ayan. And then dun sa pinag-stayan namin, ang view nun ay ocean and mountains. Okay. So yan guys, we will leave the link down the description box.
If you
Kung
want to book, which you should book because it's a wonderful place and a wonderful view.
Yes. At tingnan niyo yung ano guys, yung wall. Look.
Taking a picture. Selfie. Oh, we also have this picture here.
Yeah. Ang ganda dito.
That's made out of post-its.
Oo. Pinagpila namin stayhan, eto or yun. Doon kami sa kabila kasi para malapit sa beach. Yun malapit sa beach. Eto naman malapit sa pool.
We also have a laundry.
Yeah. Hamper. Okay. Then, ayan. Daming tubig. Hindi kayo mauubusan. Ang ganda ng mga interior dito. Ay, yung mga display. Yung nakahang. Ganyan siya. So, kung gusto nyo i-book tong place na to, i-leave ko yung link down the description box.
It's down below in the
Down below. Sea Condominiums. Ayan yung kanyang Sea Condominiums. And yung area is nasa Corolla. And yung room number is B717. B717. So, yun guys. And we're going home na.
Yeah.
Check out na kami. And guys, kung gusto nyo talagang ma-check din yung pinagstayan namin, i-check nyo kasi ang ganda. Both maganda yung condo. Yung pinagstayan namin, yung loft type, maganda din siya. Tapos yung isa, yung sa Corolla yun, di ba? Corolla ang ganda din ng layout. Kung malaking family nyo or may mga kaibigan kayo, check nyo lang yung guys, yung link. Gusto niyo magpa-picture dito kaya bumaba kami sa car. Oh, I thought you're scared.
Red stain, the clinking of glass, the flickering shade on your face, pouring rain. Oh, I wish we had stayed. Misplaced, got somewhere to be, but don't wanna leave. Just one more drink, don't wanna think about it.
Palabas na tayo ng Pico de Loro. See you next time. Si Pogi ang. Hanggang ngayon na lang makikita yan until I come back. Char. Kailan kaya ang comeback ko yan?
Next year.
Oh my God. Hope so. Ayan si Holly nakatulog na. Dito na kami sa Cavite. Ang haba pala ng Cavite, no kuya? Haba ng Cavite. Na 5:35. Ross na to no kuya? Ross Boulevard. Ayan, 5:35. Siyempre, kahit Sunday, traffic.
Hold for hours.
Yeah, guys, dito na pa kami sa bahay. Nakapag-dinner na kami. Dumating na yung mga in-order kong package. Nung Friday ko in-order, i-haul ko lang muna sa inyo. And maliligo ako, then mag-aayos ng gamit.
Then we have
Ay, sana kasya. Pakita ko lang. Kasi ano na lang to, 7 minutes na lang guys yung ating.
Oh, yeah.
7 minutes na lang. Ayan. Ating pants. Kasi nga, square pants naman tayo ngayon. Hindi na siya skinny jeans. So, kinuha ko yung lahat ng kulay. Iba naman to compared dun sa nasuto na blue. Na tatlong kulay din. Wolf yun eh. Wolf American jeans. Ito. Nakalimutan ko yung tawag dito. But, yun yung mga ano niya. Oh. Cut niya. Kita niyo? Ganyan. Nakikita niyo na lang to pag trinay on natin. Okay. So, mayroong dalawang same ang kulay. Kasi, ayan. Iba naman ang cut kasi nito. Oh, iba ang cut nito, guys. Ayan. Iba rin siya. Pero pareho ang color. Iba lang ang cut. Kinuha ko siya. Magaan lang siya. Magaan. It's soft, right?
Yeah.
Soft. Tanggalin ko na siya dito kasi itapak na natin. And ito naman, may stress dito. O, yung parang hindi siya tahi. Ayan, hindi tahi. Ay, ang lambot. Maganda to kahit mainit kasi malambot ang tela. Magaan lang din. Then, the last one. How many pants, Baba?
I'm not sure.
4?
There's
5. And this one. Halos pare-pareho. Tapos ito naman may design sa harapan ng parang faded. Tapos ganito yung sa baba. Yan.
Baba.
Then, another one. Hindi ko lang kung sa akin to. Wala na kalagay na pa.
Ano? Fifteen order.
Oh, yeah, sa akin to. Ah, okay. Padala to ng kapatid ko kasi dumating pa sa kanya yung mga ipit to. Ayan. Mga ipit. Sa kapatid ko to, yes, shinip. Kasi kaso nga, hindi na siya dumating na nandun ako. Yeah, that's for my, yeah.
Can I have this one?
Yeah, we can borrow. We can share. Ayan, yung mga ganito lang.
Do you have another pair?
Ganyan. Pang,
Hold up, Mom. This one was this.
that's for the, this one is for the, pag malaki ang pants. Pero hindi naman malalaki yung nakuha ko.
This is, I'm gonna wear one tomorrow.
Ayun. This one, ayan, para we get ready. Oh,
Look
cutie-cutie
at
lang.
this cute little flower.
And then this one, ayan. So, pinadala ng kapatid ko, buti lang dumating ng maaga. And eto, gusto ko to.
Wow, Prada.
Prada. Prada.
This
ha?
one makes my bag.
Ano to, 300 something ata to, guys. Ayan, ito yung mahal na ipit. Nasa 300 yan. Yeah, basta siya yung pinakamahal dito ng ipit. Ito maganda kasi ilalagay mo dito yung buhok mo. Tapos i-style mo. Pwede siyang, ayan, nag-ano-ano din yan. Pwede mo din ilagay dyan. Yung style mo ba yung buhok? Wala bang ito? Ayan. Basta yan. Lahat yan. Clip.
What's this?
This is
Oh, is this like
clip.
the...
Yeah, simple lang ipit lang.
Look at how cute these are. They're so cute.
Ito, yung mga cute lang na ipit. Kay Holly din. Ayan.
Now I'm gonna try.
Ang dami naman. Ayan. Kumuha akong tigdadala, pair. Nung black, nakita nyo, ito. Yeah. So, yan. Ito, gustong-gusto ko. Buti lang, karating to. Ito, gusto ko to.
Is there a cat
Malit
that
lang
big?
siya. Nasa 180 ata to.
Can I see?
Aray ko ba mo?
Sure.
Ito.
Oh, you have a breeze.
Yeah. Ito, 100 something or 200. Ayan. Ano lang siya. Kasi mayroon ako mag-ipit-ipit ngayon. Dahil nga sa bukong kulot-kulutan. So, yan. And more. Ayan. Clock. Ayan. Ikita nyo na lang yun, guys. Magmamadali ako kasi maliligo ako at mag-aayos kami ng gamit. Dito ko na lang ito ilagay. Buti nga pinadala ng kapatid ko. Sabi niya, ate, padala ko to. Aabot na siguro. Inano niya to, express.
What is this?
Hala, 5 minutes, 5 minutes na to. 7 minutes na lang, alaman yan eh.
Ano to?
So, ito yung pinakamahal. Ilang libo to. Kasi pabango.
What is it?
Ito, perfume.
Wait.
Ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan yung laman niya, guys. Wala na yan. Box lang yan.
It smells so good. The one that you were trying to look for.
Yeah.
Ah, the tight spice.
Ayan siya.
You and you.
Ang bango. Ayan. Kate Spade na New York.
New York.
New York. Buksan na natin.
New York.
100 ml siya. Ano siya? Strawberry ang scent niya.
Strawberry. They're not really into strawberry,
But this one is
is it sweet?
sweet. Yeah. Kasi summer na sa Australia eh.
Yeah, it is summer.
Patapos
I'm
na
gonna wear
na.
that to school.
Hindi mo siya maangal. Yeah.
I can't smell it.
Huwag ko na siyang sayangin. Basta yan ang itsura niya.
This one.
Bango. Oh, okay na. So, ayan yung, eto pala yung receipt ng pabango. Ayan, Lazada. Tapos, ayan yung price niya. Ayun, hindi ko makita. Ayan, dyan. 6,600. 100 ml siya. Ang bango niya. Alright.
Time, some speak. Got me on delay.